Hi, I'm Scott, the nature guy, and spring has sprung. So let's see what we can find in our own backyard. Look at this beautiful flower. It's called a jonquil or daffodil. Can you say jonquil? There's a lot of different types of jonquils. Some of them are yellow and some of them are white. Another beautiful plant that you might come across in your backyard or out in the woods are these beautiful violets. These purple violets are so beautiful. Just look at how beautiful that is. And you can make violet jelly from it. And it's packed full of vitamin C. Can you say violet? This is periwinkle. It looks very much like a violet, but it's not. It's a vine. Everybody's familiar with the cherry blossoms, but how many of you know about plum trees? Plum trees have blossoms very much like a cherry tree. Have you ever eaten a plum? This is an apple tree that's been trained to grow along a wall. It hasn't started blooming yet, but it will soon. This is a forsythia bush. Look how beautiful those yellow flowers are. This is onion grass. It's the ancestor of the onions we eat. This is a star magnolia, isn't it beautiful? It's a native Virginia tree. This is a quince bush. They have little fruits like apples later on, and you can make jellies out of those too. This is an elderberry. It's not quite out yet, but when it is, it'll be full of berries, and the birds love them. Look at all these wildflowers. They may not all be out yet, but they will be soon. Take a walk around your yard or park and just look at the nature. Until next time, I'm Scott, the nature guy.